Using the 3/8 inch nut driver, loosen, but do not remove, both nuts on the motor bracket. Use the 1/4 inch nut driver to remove the 4 screws of the electrical panel, then remove the cover. It is important to know that the rocker switch has 4 plastic retaining clips which need to be depressed in order to remove the old switch. Using the screwdriver, depress one retaining clip at a time while gently pushing each corner out. Use the screwdriver to pry the rocker switch from the warmer. Pull the switch far enough that the wires have cleared the hole. It is very important to reconnect these 3 wires in the exact same position on the new switch to avoid a short. In order to achieve the correct orientation, the middle screw must be facing you. Once you have achieved this, push the wires and then the rocker switch back into the hole until the retaining clips have locked the new switch into place. Using the 1/4 inch nut driver, replace and tighten all 4 screws on the cover. Use the 3/8 inch nut driver to retighten the 2 nuts on the motor bracket.